In this video, I'm going to show you and also discuss the concept of what is a dirty model. A dirty model is when, again, I'm going to hide the shelf and the animation, and then I'm going to create a polygon sphere and reduce the number of subdivision and faces, F to frame this. I'm going to Control D to duplicate it, and then W to pull it off to the side a little bit. And then I'm going to merge these two models together by choosing to mesh and combine. So this would be a dirty model. What I mean by that is with the 4 key, you can see in wireframe that I have faces that are crisscrossing inside of each other, and that's pretty obviously a dirty model. So just to give you an idea of what we're looking for, now I'm going to create a polygon cube, and this is going to be sort of like a variation on the dirty model, 5 key for shaded mode. I'm going to select a face, right mouse button, face, and then click to choose select a face. Then I'm going to choose to extrude. So edit mesh, extrude. Now what we have, if I don't do anything, if I just left it alone, I'm actually creating a dirty model. There's faces right along the edges of here, and unless I pull this out do I actually see them. What you're going to inevitably do, I'm just going to change this a little bit as if we're making something here, okay, is I'm going to use the G key, because if I pull this now, right, I'm still pulling the currently selected face. If I hit the G key, I have another face that's on top of it, and if I hit the G key again and pull it out, although it looks like I've got, you know, normal modeling going on here, I don't. Okay, let's go to object mode, right, and then to vertex mode. What's happening here is if I click and W and move my point around, that's what we're expecting, Z to put it back. Now if I click and move this around, you'll see that I actually now see those faces that are on here, right? So this is what I mean by a dirty model, where you have these additional faces that are inside of there, and what's going to happen is you'll try to continue forward or try to do, so I'm going to undo these to put this all back to my Z, right? Okay, so where you're gonna recognize this is when, let's say, you use the split poly tool, and you want to connect from here to here to here, and it's not going to let you do it. The reason why it's not letting you do it is, let's go back to vertex and just select and pull these apart so we can see the edges. Now I'm going to go back to the tool with the G. I can get back to my, okay, because what was happening is I was only selecting here and then jumping over, whereas now I can actually select every edge and make the tool work. So you now hopefully understand what a dirty model is. To resolve it, pulling it apart, you could maybe pull it apart on one side, delete those faces, and then snap the points, and then of course you want to merge the open edge, you want to merge those points together. So dirty model.